My name is Yasmine Douadi. I'm the founder of Risk Intel Group, which is a group that has 3 companies. Risk Summit, a B2B event that we can find in Paris. Risk Intel Media, which is a media specialized in cybersecurity, tech and intelligence warfare, and From Somewhere, which is an agency in communication and event organization, still in the cybersecurity field. I also analyze cybersecurity news on a daily basis on social media, but also on mainstream media. It was one afternoon, I received a call from one of my employees that was a little bit curious about an email that he received apparently from me. And in this email, there was some asks, like for example, sending some confidential information about the company. And what tipped him off also was that he found that in the email, there is a sense of urgency that I don't use usually, and especially because I use other channels when I need to talk with them. So he was concerned because he's from the cybersecurity field, so he knows that sometimes you can have some phishing attempts. So he looked a little bit closer to the email, and what he found out was that it wasn't the email that I usually use when I talk with him, so he called me to clarify everything. We think that it was linked to a post that he had made a few weeks before because he was a new employee with us, so he joined us very recently, and he made a post on LinkedIn to announce his new position with us. And after that, we think that he was targeted with the phishing campaign. Clearly, they knew that I was his boss. They used this information to target him specifically. And since we are a media company, we have a lot of visibility on LinkedIn, but on social media. And this is the difference between spear phishing and a classical campaign of phishing, because it's targeted and they know more about you, so they know how to create those kind of phishing campaign. I think at first I was scared because I work in the cybersecurity field and I have a media that analyze those specific type of scam. So I know exactly what it could be for a company, especially a young company like us. So I was scared. Luckily, it targeted an employee that was in the cybersecurity field, so he knew how to react, what was the first thing to do. But if it had targeted another employee that doesn't have the basic knowledge and best practices in cybersecurity, it would have been a huge catastrophe for us. Every company is a target, and this is something that everyone needs to understand. Even if you are a small company, you still have clients, you have partners, you have employees, so you have something. And if you have something, you are a target. That's why you need to invest in the human factor and invest in cybersecurity awareness. In our case, this is what saved us.